owner making $20,000 pays tax on every dollar. A real estate investor making the same $20,000 often pays zero. Same money, completely different rules. Here's exactly why. Most people think real estate makes money because property values go up. That's only half the story. The half the wealthy actually care about is depreciation. And almost nobody understands how it really works. Here's the simple version. You buy a rental property for $1 million, land value $300,000, building value $700,000. Now here's what the IRS says. Buildings wear out over 27.5 years. So every single year, you get to deduct that wear and tear on paper. $700,000 divided by 27.5 years, that's $25,455 every year. Written off, gone from your taxable income. Now let's look at what your property actually earns. Net cash flow after all expenses, $20,000 per year. Real money sitting in your account. But on paper, cash flow coming in, positive $20,000. Depreciation deduction, minus $25,455. On paper, you lost money. In reality, you made money. And from a tax perspective, you owe zero income tax on that rental income. That paper loss didn't cost you a single dollar. It just erased your tax bill. That's not a loophole someone found by accident. That's exactly how the tax code was written. Most people confuse depreciation with losing value. It's the complete opposite. Your building may be appreciating every year. Your land almost certainly is. But the IRS still lets you deduct the wear and tear while your asset quietly grows in value. That's why the wealthy don't chase salary. They chase tax advantage cash flow. If you're paying full taxes on your income right now, you're not losing to bad investments. You're losing to rules you simply haven't learned yet. The wealthy don't avoid taxes illegally. They just understand the rules far better than everyone else. A business owner.
So he is 100% correct in this. And I'll tell you, if you follow politics, they love this topic. But you don't always hear it in that articulated manner. You know, when you hear it the way he's putting it out there, it makes sense. Now, not everyone may agree with that method of taxation, but that's a different conversation. The idea, though, that what they're doing is, wealthy people avoiding paying any income tax, you hear that often referred to the wealthy need to pay their fair share. You can look at it however you want to. The idea is that the tax code system allows you to invest in assets that do have appreciation and depreciation. And I think he's putting it out there in a beautiful manner that is understandable. It's a lot more than just what politicians want to throw out there about somebody's not paying income tax on their money or this person's not paying. Elon Musk, they say that he doesn't pay any income tax. Well, how much does he own in real estate? And using this formula explains why that tax doesn't exist.